back to the channel, guys. My name is Warren. I am a banker here in London and a property investor across the UK. My goal is to live free and independently from property. So I'm looking for an income of £3,000 per month from property. If that's what you're looking for too, if you want to build your wealth, subscribe. That's what my content is all about. So guys, no long thing, I'm gonna get straight into it. This video is an update of my refurb. At this stage, when I went and saw this property, we were 5 weeks into the refurb. As you will see, most of it has been done. Just a few more bits and snags left to do. But here we go. Here is a full walk around the property and the current update on the refurb. Let me know your thoughts. So there is, as we come in to the flat, back in Manchester again. Just close this door behind me. So there's quite a bit of rubbish you'll see in some of the rooms. So the builders need to just finish clearing basically this, but still got a door that needs to be hung. But if I go to this more of a wide view here of the room, so we've done the flooring. The flooring has been laid. This is laminate throughout, new laminate. We're going to do the blinds as well, by the way. We're going to change these. And the walls have been painted. This is eggshell. I'm not too sure about the eggshell, to be honest. I'm thinking maybe white instead. Let me know what you think. But flooring's been done, also in the hallway and in the next room as well. Again, the builders have left basically just some rubbish, old materials that they've torn up or taken down that needs to be removed and put in the skip. Also, new fridge, which is in the living room for some reason. So I'm gonna get them to move this into the kitchen. Let me go back. So they've recarpeted the stairs. So these were, in fact, these were bare before when I viewed the property. And what we've done is we put down hard wearing dark carpet because people are going to be up and down these stairs every day. So you need hard wearing carpet. And then this is a room that I'm most proud of. Guys, if you're watching this video right now, you're obviously serious about your property journey and you're thinking about your next steps in terms of what to invest in, where to invest, what type of property to invest in, and how it's gonna build your wealth. Guys, check out my dashboard. The link is in the description below. This dashboard really helps you in your property journey to help you select the best types of property that are really going to build your wealth over time, guys. This is the dashboard that I created and that I use myself, that I've built my property portfolio using. By entering a few details, what it's going to do is automatically calculate key metrics like your annual profit per year, the return on your investment, that's a key metric, your purchase costs and how that's broken down, key criteria for your mortgage, and gives you an indication as to whether or not you're likely to be accepted for a mortgage. And also, guys, comparables. Comparables are key. Are you overpaying for a property that you're looking at compared to the average same type of property in the UK? This dashboard is designed to help you make effective wealth building investments. It takes a lot of the effort and stress out of selecting the right property. By just entering in a few simple details, it will churn out automatically the key metrics that you need to make great decisions when you're buying property. And now back to the video. The brand new kitchen, okay? So this is a Howden's kitchen. Gone for a gloss white kitchen with an integrated hob and oven. I'm really happy with this. Looks great, just especially when you compare it to what it was before. I'll try and get a before and after picture there, but there's the kitchen. And then let's go upstairs. If you remember, this used to be aquamarine blue bathroom. So we have changed that again, eggshell white. And we've also changed the floors. So this is vinyl on the floors. Kept the toilet and the bath and the sink. Some stuff that needs to be cleared out the sink. But completely different look to what it was before. We really didn't like it before. And then in here, again, new carpets. And we've painted the walls eggshell once again. Let me know what you, and I keep going on about eggshell. And this is the landing. So painted the spindles and new carpet on here. So guys, let me know, what did you think of the progress of this refurb so far? It's my first ever one. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Really keen to get your thoughts on that. This is my first ever BRRR, by the way. As you can see from the video, there's still a few bits to do. Still quite a bit of rubbish to clean up from the various rooms that I showed you. So we're gonna have to get the skip back out and get all of that into the skip and thrown away, because we want the property bare, open, clean, no rubbish, and ready to rent out. That's what we need to do. So I've gotten onto the builders to do that. They're doing that as we speak. As you saw, there's a random door in the reception room. There's a fridge in the other reception room. So they're gonna hang that door and they're going to put that fridge into the kitchen. So it's a complete kitchen. We're also gonna paint the kitchen white. You can probably see that part of the wall is still blue. So they've got that left to do, and to secure the oven in there. And lastly, just a whole clean of the property. So I want the walls right down. I want the carpets vacuumed so that all of the lint and the debris from the new carpet is all gone. And I'm gonna go back in there and give you a follow-up video of the hopefully complete, pristine, box fresh property. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Shorter video today, but it's just an update to let you know how it's going. My goal in doing this from start to finish and documenting this was to take you along with me on the journey of my first ever BRRR, and all my other properties and projects going forward. I'm going to take you with me. So let me know what you thought. Subscribe, share this with people who you think would benefit from it if they're looking to get into property and build their wealth. I'm doing it, guys, and you can see my experiences, learn from these, and subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys soon.